New at 11 tonight, we have new details on a story we first reported last week. Woonsocket-based CVS is retracting a policy that requires customers to show proof of identification to purchase certain products, including nail polish remover. We've learned the policy is being reversed in most states, including right here in Rhode Island and Massachusetts. Eyewitness News reporter Kelly Sullivan joins us now to tell us more.
Within the last few weeks, CVS required customers to show ID when they purchased a bottle of nail polish remover with acetone in it. Well, now the company is changing its policy once again. It's a product that, with the right intended use, causes no harm, but some are turning to this household item to illegally make methamphetamine.
If children are making it for drugs and stuff, I wouldn't want it to get into the wrong hands, because I have 2 children of my own.
As Call 12 for Action first discovered, CVS created a new policy to require ID when customers purchase nail polish remover with acetone to help protect the community from the illegal use and making of methamphetamine.
You can get a hold of any drug anywhere that you want. The problem is you want to discourage people as much as possible.
CVS first told Eyewitness News the policy also required retailers to record sales of acetone, but the company's policy is about to change. CVS contacted Eyewitness News saying, quote, "After thoroughly reviewing our policies for the sale of products that contain acetone, in most states we will no longer require customers to present an ID to purchase these products, including nail polish remover." Some customers we spoke with say showing ID to buy a bottle of nail polish remover was inconvenient and now welcome the policy reversal.
That's reasonable because I think it's very silly. So I really think that we get overwrought about trying to control things we can't control, and it doesn't make a whole lot of sense.
CVS stores were notified by the end of the day Wednesday, and the new policy change will take effect on Thursday. Reporting with the mobile newsroom, Kelly Sullivan, Eyewitness News.